change. The environment around us is in a constant state of change. But what if you could control that change with the push of a button? This is Ember, the world's first USB-C PD heated wearable. Designed to adapt to your ever-changing environment, offering instant heat when you need it at the push of a button. Warmth you can actually feel, giving you perfect comfort at the office or summiting the mountain of your dreams. Layering and bulky jackets are cumbersome, unflattering, and a way of the past. Ember was designed to adapt to changing climates, trim bulk, and be active fitting, so you can look good and feel good without piling on the layers. Ember stretches with you, whether reaching for the next hold, finding your zen, running errands, or a night on the town. But this isn't just a typical heated jacket. We've integrated a whole new level of technology into Ember, making it the most powerful heated wearable ever. The heart of Ember is its USB-C PD battery. We've designed our battery power pack specifically for heating, unlike other batteries that were designed just for charging. Of course, ours does that too. But to put it simply, watts equal power, and power equals transfer of heat. Other heated jackets only produce 6 to 12 watts compared to our 60 watts of heat transferring power. That's up to 10 times the heat of other heated jackets. That's like comparing a match to a bonfire. Graphene is a dynamic thermal conductor, so we chose to infuse this super material into our insulation to amplify the powerful heat our power pack supplies and quickly disperse the warmth all over your body. This ice-thawing heat is amazing, but add in breathability, and now you have a masterpiece. Ember is equipped with breathable flow vents across the back, under the arms, and down each side of the jacket to prevent overheating and maximize mobility. The more active you are, the more breathable Ember becomes. We also chose to infuse bamboo fibers into our insulation to wick sweat and moisture away from your body. And since bamboo is a natural antimicrobial, it stops odor in its tracks. But just like the battery, Ember is built to be tough all around. So no matter what the change is that comes at you each day, Ember will be there to keep your temperature in your control.
Hey Kickstarter, my name's Richard. You might remember us from the prior 6 Kickstarters that we've done. In fact, we launched this company right here on Kickstarter in 2013. And now, years later, here we are launching our 7th campaign, ready to bring Ember to life. You know, the exciting thing for us is the community of Kickstarter. Being able to join arms, join forces with you, and make decisions based around what would make this product the best. The story of Ember started about a year ago, when I started sketching out a pullover that would help me transition from the fall, through the winter, and into the spring. We'd be thrilled if you joined us in helping bring Ember to life. When you do that, you're also going to be joining us on another mission. See, we drill clean water wells with every product that we sell. Our mission is to completely eradicate the disease and suffering that is caused by unclean drinking water. Our whole team would be thrilled if you joined us here on Kickstarter. Not only will you get an amazing product, but you'll be providing clean drinking water for somebody who needs it. And that's a huge impact that we love being a part of. So click the Back This Project button and select the reward you would like to receive. Thank you so much. We're incredibly excited to serve you.